In building construction, the area or gap between two surfaces is called a joint. The two surfaces can be of the same material. Example, joint between two glass panes, or between two surfaces of different material. Example, glass and aluminum in a window frame. Joints are present in all buildings and they are sealed with the help of a product called sealant. A sealant waterproofs joints and also accommodates the differential movement that occurs in a joint between surfaces. To understand how these sealants work, observe the door of a fridge. It has a gasket or a lining all around it, which seals the door when it is closed, completely blocking the flow of air in or out of the fridge. Sealants work in the same way, blocking water and air from passing through the joint. SmartCare UniverSeal is a durable and odorless neutral silicone sealant. It is used for sealing glass, building, sanitary and metallic joints, in joints between walls and floors, joints at the corners of walls, and L-shaped joints in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. UniverSeal is neutral cured and hence applicable on all alkaline surfaces like cement plaster. It is also non-corrosive and hence applicable on metallic surfaces. It can be used to fill joints of up to 25 mm width, and it can withstand a joint movement of up to 25%. It offers ISO 846 certified antifungal protection and it offers effective waterproofing. Hence, it can be used in areas with continuous water flow like bathrooms or kitchens. UniverSeal is available in various colors like white, black, grey and clear. But do note that because it is a silicone sealant, it cannot be painted over. UniverSeal is applied with the help of a sealant gun. A masking tape is used on both sides of the joint to get neat and uniform application of the sealant. To summarize, SmartCare UniverSeal is used for sealing glass, building, sanitary and metallic joints, in joints between walls and floors, joints at the corners of walls, and L-shaped joints in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Its features are neutral cured, flexibility, gap filling of 25 mm, waterproofing, antifungal,